And this video is about how to get an A on this assignment. Analyze and sketch the graph of the rational function. Well, here are assignment grading rubric for this assignment. Category number 1, domain. You will get 9 to 10 points if your domain is completely correct and it's with clear explanation. And you will get 7 to 8 points if there are minor errors, either in the domain or in the label, etc. And will be satisfactory if your domain is incomplete or partially correct. You have 0 to 4 points. You will get 0 if you there's a missing domain, or there are many errors in the domain, or it's completely incorrect. Number 2 category is intercepts. You will get 9 to 10 points if the x and y intercepts are correct with proper work shown. You get 7 to 8 points if there are minor errors in the work, or satisfactory if you get 5 to 6 points if the errors in the intercepts are no work shown or incomplete work. You will get 0 to 4 points if the intercepts are missing, or they are incorrect, or there are several errors. Category 3 asymptotes. You will get 9 to 10 points if the asymptotes are completely correct with proper work, or if there are minor errors or minor problems with the asymptotes, or minor errors in the work, then we might get 7 to 8 points. You got 5 to 6 points if you have used improper notations and asymptotes are not clearly marked. And you will get 0 to 4 points if the asymptotes are completely missing or completely incorrect, or several errors. So we'll get 0 to 4 points. Category 4 is the derivatives, first derivative and second derivative. So you will get 9 to 10 points if the derivatives are correct and with the proper work shown. And you will get 7 to 8 points if there are minor errors in the derivatives and or minor problems with the work. You will get 5 to 6 points if you have some errors, like a 50% error or 40% errors, and 60% is correct or 50% is correct. And if the derivatives are missing, even you don't submit the derivatives, then we get 0. Or if there are several errors in the work and that affect the final result, then we might get points 0 to 4. Category number 5 is critical points. We will get 9 to 10 points if the critical points are correct and proper work shown. You get 7 to 8 points if the critical points are correct, but there are minor problems with the work presented. You get 5 to 6 points if some incorrect critical points or some are not correct, and or missing steps in the work, and it's making it difficult to follow the logic. If the critical points are completely missing, or they are incorrect critical points, or you will get 0 to 4 points. Category number 6 is concavity inflection. If the concavity is correct and inflection points is correct and proper work is shown, then we'll get 9 to 10 points. And you will get 7 to 8 points if there are minor errors in the work. equal 5 to 6 points. Minimal explanations with unclear justifications. Missing concavity or inflection point or incorrect concavity inflection point, you will get 0 to 4 points. Number 7, the graph. If the graph is accurate and the labeling is correct, then we'll get 9 to 10 points. If there are minor errors in labels, labeling the graph, then you'll get 7 to 8 points. If the errors in the graph depends on 40 to 50% error, then you will get 5 to 6 points. And if the graph is missing or graph is incorrect, you might get 0 to 4 points. Conclusion is basically 1 to 2 paragraphs. If there's a clear, concise, and accurate conclusion, and then you get 9 to 10 points. And if there are minor errors, then you get 7 to 8 points. And if it's incomplete conclusion, then you might get 5 to 6 points. Or if the conclusion is completely missing or incorrect conclusion, then you get 0 to 4 points. I think that's basically it. If you have any question, you can you can text me on the Remind, or you can send me email. Okay. Good luck.